let's go over B and C really quick. When we have a word, give me a word. So now we're supposed to look at all of the vowels and all of the consonants. So I've seen two solutions appear. The first solution was where people said, let's simply do what we did before when all we had to do is get the vowels. So we make a pass through, and each time we see a vowel, we add it to a string. So one pass through the thing. And then how do we get the consonants? Well, we just make another pass through the same string. And every time we see a consonant, then we copy that at the end, G, M, N, W, R, D, and we're done. Two passes. And the beauty of the solution is that it builds completely easily on the work from before, so what's not to like? So the only thing that's maybe slightly ugly is that we make a pass and then make another pass. That sounds that's slightly wasteful. So if we wanted to be a bit more efficient, and about probably more than half the people actually came up with that solution right off the bat, they said, oh, I'll just have two strings, one for the vowels and one for the consonants, and then in a single pass, they would say, okay, is it a consonant? We put it onto the consonant string. Is it a vowel? We put it on the vowel string. Consonant, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. And then to compute the result, then one has to work a little bit harder, I guess. Then you have to stick this one in front of that one and return the concatenation of the two. Either approach is just fine. And the second one is slightly more efficient because as we look at the non-vowels, we're already making good use of them. So the other thing with the stepwise refinement, what I had in mind there was so we already have a method get vowels. We could just use it completely unchanged. And then what else do you want to do? So give me some ideas. I wasn't there when you guys were there. So. What do you guys do?
For which?
For C, for part C. Yes.
Find the consonant.
How? Did you write a method for it?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you do?
We created a new method that basically returns what the consonants are, or returns not vowels.
What did you call it?
What did we call it? Did we call it not vowels or get consonants? Or get not vowels?
So what I was after here was that you would make another method called, I would call it get consonants.
Yeah, like get consonants or get not, something like that.
And then, of course, to implement get consonants is pretty easy. You simply copy and paste get vowels, and I think you have to make a single change, right? Somewhere where it said if it's a vowel, you say if it's not a vowel. Did anyone actually implement a method is consonant? You could do that, right? If you wanted to do it completely symmetric, you could have a method is consonant that kind of makes the same check that is vowel does. But I don't think it's particularly necessary. All right, so that's what I was after here. So again, the idea is that you should, if you already have some stuff that works, you want to learn how to combine that into into slightly different situations. So we'll have a few more of those after the next lecture. So in this lecture, I want to quickly review arrays and array lists one more time, and then I want to talk about two ways of iterating over them. So if we make a little comparison. So let's declare an array variable, and let's make them all of type string. Cool. String it. String. That makes a variable A of type string. For array lists, the syntax is completely different. That just makes the variable. It doesn't yet put anything behind it. To do that, I would have to just call new. Syntax looks like this. For array lists, and it's completely different. Notice back here I have the angle brackets for the component type, and then I have the parentheses to say it's a constructor. And you need them both. So it's a little verbose. Now those of you who have Java 7 installed can save yourself a little bit of keystroking. You can actually say do it the other way. I really hate that. Okay, I think we're going to have to